The E5 error in treadmills is often caused by the console's failure to receive a speed signal, which occurs when the speed sensor is not properly aligned with the front magnet, preventing it from detecting the magnet's rotation. To fix this error, it is essential to check the state of the speed sensor, a small device located near the motor or front roller that detects the speed of the treadmill belt, and ensure it is clean and free from debris or dust. Resetting the treadmill by turning it off, unplugging it, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging it back in may also resolve the issue. Additionally, checking the wiring for any damage or loose connections is crucial. As faults in the wiring can cause problems, it is also important to verify that the treadmill is running on the latest software and that there are no bugs in its operation, which may require professional assistance from the manufacturer to avoid tampering with the system. If the error persists after trying these solutions, contacting the manufacturer's customer support for a thorough analysis is the next step.